Everybody seems ready for the next phase of the bull market. Lots of people seem to be rotating out of meme coins, and I think this isn't a good idea just yet. I actually think Pepe has a massive move coming, and I'm going to tell you why in this video. So make sure you hit the like button and you subscribe to the channel. And just before we get going, don't forget we have our big event for Marbits tomorrow night live here on my channel. So do head over and check out exactly why you should be buying a bag of Marbits. That being said, let's get into this video. So everybody right now is talking about Pepe. In fact, a lot of people now are talking about Pepe even flipping Doge in this upcoming bull market. Now, Dogecoin has a slight advantage in the fact that, well, there is a government agency now named after it. People will say that's not true, but it simply is. But Doge and Pepe, or Chuck Shiba Inu in there as well, which one is going to be the top performer? Well, we know what two of them already do in a bull market, as I've said many times on this channel, and one of them we have no idea. But recently we had a massive sell of Pepe. In fact, a big whale dumping a significant amount, and people now are accumulating the dip. This is a great show of strength in the community, and in my opinion, shows that people are waiting to scoop this up. In fact, people believe we could even get a correction like we got the other day, just to ease the market down a little bit before then pushing to newer highs. In fact, you look at Bitcoin dominance, it's falling, meme coins are starting to move, volume is rotating once again into the market, and in my opinion, Pepe, amid a pullback, is ready for a mammoth price surge incoming. Very interesting indeed. And I think it's very clear that a lot of people absolutely believe that we are going to see it. In fact, Pepe coin has seen a significant increase in whale accumulations, with larger holders buying in anticipation of price gains. Despite the volatile crypto market, Pepe's price is showing signs of a breakout. On-chain data reveals they've increased their holdings by $1.14 billion, boosting positive sentiment in the meme coin ecosystem. And this isn't just small chump change. This is a big deal. The whales are buying. They always say, follow the smart money. It's important. And equally, we have some whales basically rotating to other projects. 52 million whale dump on a dormant wallet. I mean, imagine being that individual. You find this wallet that had all this Pepe on and you dump it for 52 million. I mean, was that a smart decision? Maybe, maybe not. But yeah, 600 days they held, but people bought the dip. They just bought more Pepe like it was going out of fashion. I think it's very interesting to think that more and more people are accumulating at this price range before we see the strong breakout. If you take a look at Pepe's chart as an example, right now holding around the 231, down about 7% on the week, but on the monthly looking at about a 12% gain and 214% on the 3 months. So what do we got going on here? What's important to think about? Well, this support that we have here on the 20-day exponential moving average here on the daily is very strong for us. The volume settling down and our RSI coming a little bit into the overbought territory, looking like we could be in a position that people might be wanting to buy. And then when you start to look at, well, where are we going to go in terms of price? If we were to look at a fib extension on the trend, well, it's interesting that we held on the 0.5 at 2669, came down and broke to this 20-day exponential moving average, looking to push back to the upside. What am I looking for? The 382 Fibonacci is the next key point to break. Onwards then to the 0.5. Lots of people talk about the 618 and the 786, putting us around the 2889 range or the 3202. Now, if you were crazy bullish, and a lot of us predict Bitcoin heading towards that 180, 200K mark, 2618 up here, could be putting Pepe well into the multi-figure billion-dollar projects if we were anywhere around this range. This would be insane for the entire market, but global market minus Bitcoin and Ethereum starts to look pretty bullish and is currently sitting at a 1.05 trillion. So memes will be chucked into this and everything else. So we could be in, like I've said before, a big move coming. Whales are accumulating Pepe. In fact, it's dead easy to even track some of this instant information.